Are you tired of searching for an app, website, or shortcut that will magically double your money overnight? Yeah, we've all been there. At some point, we all wish we could just click a link, invest a few hundred rupees, and boom, instant riches. But let's be real. It's 2025. If you're still falling for those double your money scams or fake apps promising overnight success, it's time to wake up. These apps and websites are not designed to make you rich. They either earn from your clicks and ad views, or worse, run off with your money. And the influencers promoting these shady apps, most of them make money from the views on their videos, not the apps themselves. So before you invest your tough-earned money in anything that sounds too good to be true, ask yourself, does this even make sense? Let me remind you of Trailer NFT's aid scam. It said, send us money and we'll double it. Many people fell for it. They're gone now. Just like that. And that's why today, I'm here to tell you something real. Something that actually works. No links, no scams, just honest advice. Let's break it down. First, remove this shortcut mentality. There is no shortcut to success. None. If there were a real magic app to make you rich overnight, trust me, billionaires would be using it, not selling it to you. Success requires consistency, patience, and work. Simple. So let's talk about what actually works. 1. White label business. Start small, scale big. Most beginners jump straight into private labeling, making their own perfume or clothing brand with just 300 to 500 rupees. But luxury products like perfumes require more than just fancy packaging. Why would someone buy your 300 rupee perfume when there are trusted brands out there? Similarly, people go to Faisalabad, grab tracksuits, print a logo, and think they've started a brand. It doesn't work like that. These things don't sell unless you already have a strong brand identity. Instead, start with white labeling. White label products are already made. You just sell them. No need for fancy branding, packaging, or marketing budget. You can start with a small investment and still make decent profits. Last year alone, I sold Worston crore worth of white label products. No big brand name, no celebrity endorsement, just smart selling. And even if one item doesn't sell, you can still recover by reselling at a small loss. Try that with a private label product. It's nearly impossible. 2. Learn real skills that pay. The most important thing I ever did was invest in myself. Learning skills like content creation, video editing, freelancing, e-commerce operations. These skills changed my life. Even if I quit everything today, I could still make money online with freelancing. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are filled with clients looking for skilled workers. So if you're still in school or college or even working a full-time job, start learning skills in your free time. It could be copywriting, SEO, graphic design, or even managing Amazon or Shopify stores. Every skill you learn becomes your asset. It never goes to waste. 3. E-commerce. The future of business in 2025. The easiest and most powerful way to build a passive income stream is through e-commerce. I'm not talking about setting up a full brand overnight. Start small. Pick trending in-demand white label products. List them on platforms like Daraz, Amazon, or your own Shopify store. Learn about customer service, handling returns, product photography. It's not rocket science, but it does require effort. Once you get good, you can slowly move into private label products and build your own brand after understanding how the market works. Bonus, what ChatGPT told me out of curiosity. I asked ChatGPT, what are the top 3 ways to make money online in 2025? And you know what it said? Freelancing, content creation, e-commerce, and those 3 things, they're exactly what helped me go from a broken down bike and a one-room apartment to having my own studio, car, and business. There will be setbacks, don't give up. I won't lie to you. Things weren't always easy. What you should do right now, stop chasing shortcuts. Start learning one valuable skill. Launch a small, white label business. Stay consistent no matter what. Even if you start earning just 20,000 per month, that can go to Rs 50,000, then rezone life. And one day, even 10 like per month is possible. But only if you stay committed. So to everyone watching, if I can do it, so can you. Subscribe to Business Desk for more real talk, no fake promises, just raw, practical advice about making money online, building businesses, and changing your life step by step. Let's build together. Are you ready, brother?